Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to transfer money from Google Pay to your bank account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So transferring money from your Google Pay to your bank account is very quick and easy, especially if your bank account is already linked. So first of all, you need to simply tap open your Google Pay or your GPay. Once you have opened it, you can simply be in this kind of interface where you can find the option called bank transfer. So among all the options, you need to simply tap on the bank transfer option and you can simply be in this kind of interface once you have tapped on it. Now you need to simply type in your account number, like the recipient's detail, like their number, and re-enter their account number once again for verification, and then type the amount that is required to be sent. After you have done this, you can also optionally add a note in this, and then you need to simply tap on pay that particular amount to the bank you have selected within. After you have selected the bank, you will be able to simply transfer your money from Google Pay to bank account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.